Hi, hello. Hello, good evening. Can you hear and see teacher well? Can you hear me well? Say hi for me. Hi. Hello. Can you hear me? Okay. Hi there. My name is Jashri, but you can call me Teacher Jash. How about you? What is your name?
My name is Ming Chao.
Okay, so what do you want teacher to call you? Can I call you Ming?
Ming Chao.
Ming Chao. Okay, hello there. Nice to meet you. Hi. Yes. How old are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Ah, okay. You're fine today. How about your age? Are you 7 years old, 8 years old, 9 years old?
I'm 7 years old.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's
And are you ready for
11.
our class today? What?
Sorry,
Yes.
I'm 11 years old.
Ah, you are 11 years old. Wow, you're so cute, my dear. Okay. So, teacher, okay, I have here a few questions for you. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, wow. Very good. For that, teacher will give you a star. Good job. Okay. Now let's talk about pet. Do you have any pets? And what are their names if you have pets? Like cat, dog.
No, I don't. I don't. I
Okay,
don't
same.
have pets.
Okay. You don't have pets. And okay. All right. How about what do you like to do in your free time?
I like raw.
Okay, okay, say, I like to draw.
Yes,
Wow. Do you like art? Do you like art? Arts? Do you like
yes.
arts? Oh, I see. Okay, now let's talk about your favorite food. What is your favorite food? The yummy food that you really like to eat every day.
My favorite food is my favorite food is egg.
Okay, can you please say it again? My favorite food is
Egg.
in in okay,
Egg.
is it a Vietnamese food? Okay. Teacher is not familiar with your food. Okay. It's okay. Now, I have another question for you. How many are you in your family? Okay. How many are you in your family? We are. Okay, let's count. Your mother. Okay, how many are you in your family? Okay, your mother. Let's count. Your mother. Your f-
They
we are.
us there are 6 people.
Okay. Okay, we are six in
People.
the family.
Really.
Okay. Okay, we are six in the family. Who are they? Can you tell, teacher? Okay, let's start with your father.
Yes.
Okay, next,
Mother.
mother. Next.
Grandma.
Okay, grandma. Next.
Grandpa.
Okay, grandpa. Who else?
Brother.
Okay, brother.
And me.
Okay. Okay, and me. All right. Now you are going to create your own sentence. Okay, start with I am living with my I am living with
Yeah.
my okay, repeat after teacher. I am living with my father,
Father.
mother,
Mother.
okay,
Hmm?
grandpa, grandma, and my brother. Yes. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, now next question. Where do you live? Where do you live?
I I live near nearby airports.
Ah, okay. I live in, okay, in, okay, again. I live in,
I live in nearby.
um, okay, very good. Thank you so much. Now let's proceed to another question. Okay, can you tell me about your typical day? Okay, can you tell me about your typical day? So today, okay, you can say today is normal day for me. Okay, for me, I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth and go to school. So it's normal day for me. Okay, how about you? What is your typical day? Weekdays or weekend? Okay. Okay, it's okay. All right. Now, how do you usually spend your weekends? Okay, so we have 2 days of weekend. We have Saturday and we have Sunday. So in 2 day
I,
or either Saturday or Sunday, how do you usually spend your 2 days? Okay. Every weekend,
I,
I,
I get up,
okay, get up.
brush my teeth,
Okay. Brush my teeth. Okay. What do you usually do? Like playing, drawing, go to the park, spend time with your friends, go to
have
the church.
breakfast.
Okay. Have breakfast. After eating your breakfast, what you will do next? Okay. Think about it. Mm.
I ride a bike.
Oh, okay. So, okay, on weekends, I ride a bike, and then after that one, okay, just ride a bike.
Yes,
Wow, do you know how to ride a bike? Wow,
yes.
amazing.
I
Oh,
ride. Bye bye.
Okay. Now tell, do you have a, okay, now how about do you have a best friend?
My best
Yeah.
friend is she.
Okay, yes, I have a best friend. Her name is
She.
Chi.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Can you tell me about your best friend? Hmm. Is she tall? Is she
She,
short? Is she beautiful? Is she kind? Is she
she has a big eyes.
okay? She has a big eye, big round eyes, and what else? How about her hair?
Biết đến là như nào?
How about her hair? Can you describe her hair?
Như
And,
nào?
Long,
and
straight curl.
Black hair.
she has long black hair.
And okay, and long black hair. Okay, can you say it one more time? She has a big round eyes and long black hair.
She has a she has a big round eyes and long black hair.
Yes, very good. Good job. Give teacher a high five. High five.
Yeah.
Yay! High five. Yes. Yes, very good. Good job. Okay. Now, how about your um favorite season of the year and why? Okay, what is your favorite season of the year? How about summer? How about summer or how about winter?
I like spring.
Okay, you like spring.
Spring.
Wow, why do you like spring season?
Be-
Because
because has be-
because
The weather.
because
The weather
be-
is
because the
because
weather is warm.
okay, the weather is warm. Wow, nice. Okay, now do you prefer living in the city or the countryside and why?
live in countryside.
Yes.
I
Do you prefer living in
I
the
live
city?
I live
I,
in the city.
okay, I prefer to live in the city.
City.
Okay, so why do you prefer live in the city than the countryside? Because
Nói rất là đúng.
Okay.
because there
Because
are big buildings, big
and
buildings,
and
and okay, what?
beautiful.
Okay, and okay, big and beautiful buildings. Beautiful buildings. So that's what you usually see in the city area. Okay. All right. So what kind of okay, let's go to the next question. What kind of music do you like to listen to? What kind? Okay, we have many kinds of music. We have pop, we have rock, we have traditional music. We have also solemnity music. We have harmony music. Okay, what kind of music do you like?
Rock music.
I like traditional music.
I
I
like
like
Chị nói nhanh lên cô chồng.
I like rock.
okay, rock music. So you like rock music. All right. And let's go to the next question. What is the most interesting place you have visited? Okay, can you tell me the most interesting place that you have visited?
Địa điểm yêu thích.
Yes. Okay, the
Is
place. Okay, let's start the sentence with the place
List.
that
List.
the most interesting place that I have visited is
Há Long Bay.
Bay. Wow. Okay. So why can you say that it's an interesting place? Why can you say so? Is it beautiful? Is it nice? Is it the nature is very nice, the view, and also the harmony. Okay, what makes the place interesting for you? Okay,
I
because the place
because
is
has beautiful scenery.
wow, very good because the place has a beautiful scenery. Good job. Okay, next page. All right. Okay, so this will be our last bunch of questions. Okay, number one, if you could live anywhere in the world, where would you choose and why? If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you choose and why? So you can choose any countries, any places.
Bây giờ con
Okay,
số là bất kỳ
the
số
place. Okay, let's start with the place
cô
that I want to
One.
live is.
Me.
America. America. Mỹ.
Me.
Okay, what place do you like to live? Would you like to live? America, Malaysia, Cambodia, Korea, Japan,
England.
England,
Anh.
North Korea, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Japan.
Me.
Viet Thailand, Philippines.
I
Là chỉ vì Việt Nam.
I want to live in
Việt Nam.
cái gì?
Việt Nam. Đâu? Việt Nam.
Okay, I will give you time to think about that, okay? All right, take your time to think about the place that you want to live.
Có phải học nhiều không?
Okay, now how about number two? What are some environmental problems that the world is facing today? How can we solve them? Okay, now let's talk about environmental problems that the world is facing today, not just in your country, not just in Vietnam, but all around the world. Okay, it could be a global warming,
Không.
pollution. Yes. What could it be? Okay. Okay, if you don't have any idea, just tell teacher, okay? Okay, so you don't have any idea. Let's proceed to the next question, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Now, how do you think technology has changed in our lives in the past decade? How do you think technology has changed our lives in the past decades?
Công nghệ thì thay đổi.
Okay. Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, so let me tell you about before. Okay, before there is no TV, no cell phone, no computers. Okay, so they will just communicate through writing and sending letters. Okay, so what can you say about um the technology that changed our lives in the past decade? Okay, you don't have any idea?
Never. Computer. How we do?
Yes.
I
Okay.
have a computer.
Okay, yes, computer. Computer really changed people's life in the past decades. So computers helps the workers, okay, made their job easier. Okay, no. Easier than before. Like we can send email, messages, also through computers. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. Can you describe a memorable experience you had with your friends or family? Okay, describe a memorable experience you had with your friends or your family. Okay, let's say an example, vacation. Okay, vacation, camping, or anything else that you spend time with your family. Do you have any memorable experience? Okay, memorable experience, it means the thing that you thing that you can't forget. Yes. Is there any? Okay, how about birthday gathering? Okay, how about birthday gatherings?
Này thì cô sửa nó đi.
Okay.
Ai nói nhanh.
I spend. Okay, just remember. Okay, do you have a memorable experience you had with your friends or family?
Này thì cô còn sửa con đang học con mất tiền đấy. Nói đi. Ai like?
Okay, no, you don't have any idea? It's okay, it's okay. Okay, we can proceed to the next question. All right, so what are the advantages and
Em có hiểu
disadvantages
con
of
sao đi ai
studying
đâu anh.
online? Okay,
Được.
what are the advantages and disadvantages of studying online? Okay, let's start our sentence with in studying online. Okay, let's start with let's start with the advantage or the positive one. In studying online, we can save time. We can save time to travel to school. Okay, what else? Okay, what else? We can also save, transportation. Fee for transportation. What else? The advantage, the good thing of studying online.
Thế con có hiểu
We
không? Có.
can learn at our home and anywhere and anytime. Okay, can you please read? In studying online.
Không hiểu cô nói gì đúng không? Có hiểu không?
Không phải
Okay, can you please read? This is just an example, and later on you'll make your own. Okay, this is an example. In studying
Anh đã bỏ lần thôi. Đấy, đọc.
in studying
Đây
online.
đi học online. Được chưa? Home. School gì nữa? School gì đấy? Nói đi.
Okay, all right.
business.
Okay, all right, we can proceed to the next question. It's okay. All right, let's go to the next question. If you had the opportunity to meet any famous person, who would it be and why? If you had the opportunity to meet any famous person, who
Con
who
hiểu
would
không?
it?
Con có hiểu hay không đã để mẹ con hỗ trợ không? Tôi cứ lắc
Không
lắc
hiểu.
đâu đâu chẳng nói đi. Con không hiểu thì sao con
Okay,
hiểu?
if you
Đâu.
had the opportunity to meet
Nếu
any
hiểu là
famous
sorry anh
person,
oai tiền. Hiểu chưa?
who
Được giải
would
thích.
it be and why? Okay. Do you have any idea about the
Không.
famous person that you want to meet? Like
Đẹp.
artist,
Hiểu.
actor, actress, or singer?
Con không hiểu đúng không?
Okay, how about who is your favorite singer?
Singer.
Singer.
Yeah, who is your favorite singer?
Một cái ca sĩ nào nói đi.
My favorite singer is
My favorite singer is. Đọc lại xem nào.
My favorite singer is
Nói.
Chi.
Chi.
Thanh
Ca sĩ là gì?
Phương ca sĩ
Uh,
Chi nói ra nào. Si.
Phương
okay, can you
Phương Mỹ Chi.
Okay, so is it a Vietnamese singer? Okay, now I want you to repeat after me. Let's say singer, singer.
My
Sing.
favorite singer is.
Okay,
Singer is
okay. All right, singer, singer.
Đọc lại singer.
singer.
Okay, not okay. Singer, singer. Okay, repeat after teacher. Singer, singer.
Singers.
Đọc theo cô.
Singer.
Okay, okay, okay. Not singer. Instead of saying singer, you'll say singer.
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 Okay, singer. No, 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 no. Okay, say ng,
Singer.
ng,
Singer.
ng.
Singer.
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 Okay. All right. So now let's go to the next page. Okay. So what do you think is the most important skill to have in today's world? Okay, one more time. What do you think is the most important skill to have in today's world? Okay, now we're talking about skills.
Hiểu kỹ năng.
Kỹ năng.
Yeah.
Yes.
gì?
So
Yes.
skills. Okay, now what do you think is the most important skill to have in today's world? Okay,
Kỹ
we
năng này. Kỹ năng này.
okay, this one. Okay, this one. I have another question for you. What do you want? Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? Example, do you want to be a firefighter, a policewoman, um, okay, a doctor, a nurse,
Con muốn trở thành gì thì con được
a teacher?
nói nhanh lên.
Okay. Okay, start your sentence with when I grow up.
I
When
want
When I grew up.
when I grow up, I want to
Đọc đi.
be
When I grew up nói lại đi.
when I grow up and want to be
I want to be a
Doctor. Thành đi. Teacher, doctor nói đi.
artist.
a teacher. Wow. Okay, again. When I grow up, I want to be a
No.
teacher. Okay, what?
Artist.
Artist. Okay, you want to be an artist. Oh, wow. Good job. Okay, so I think we are done with our. Okay. Yes, listen. Thank you so much for answering all my questions. And okay, so oh, wait for a moment. We still have time left. Okay, so do you have any questions?
Alo.
Okay, no questions. Okay, and we are done now. Have a good night and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye
Bye.
bye. Good night. Yes, goodbye.
Ừ.